So in this video, we are going to show you why a Wander property is head and shoulders above any other vacation rental on the market. Wait till you see this house. This being our first Wander, we walked in and the moment we got done unpacking, we were super relaxed. It just something different about it.
The view at this Wander is impeccable. 360-degree views from every room, from every window, from the kitchen, from everywhere. I think every Wander location is a place I want to be.
If you have any question while you're in the house, any question with any piece of technology, anything, you just get on, just like you're chatting with somebody live, and they help you out.
It's been a flawless experience, and I have no doubt that every property would be managed as well.
I think it's important to get out and experience as much as you can in the world because it makes you understand your place in the world. It gives you a perspective that you would not get if you didn't get out.
Don't wait to wander.
Don't wait to wander. Life's too short. There's no promise for tomorrow. And if you're going to go and do this, do it at a place that's going to take care of you and that you're going to enjoy and that is super amazing in every way possible.